All right, in this video, I'm going to go over the expectations for a Build a Machine Prototype assignment for the CAD class. So our learning target would be today we'll begin a project to build a machine prototype so we're able to understand how engineers use CAD programs to create prototypes. We will show this by following directions to build either a balloon-powered car, a space station, or a spaceship. So you'll have some choices on this project. This is just a video, again, that kind of explains what CAD is and where it's useful. I'll let you guys watch that on your own time. You can access the slideshow that's in your lesson. We've already talked about that CAD is computer-aided design. Some people use it as computer-aided drawing or computer-aided drafting, but it's really just designing things and creating things on a computer. And we've talked about this before, but just to kind of go over it again, CAD software is increasingly being used in engineering and manufacturing. It's great for designing new products because it's much faster and more precise than drawings. It also allows for easy modifications to improve the design. And on a lot of programs, it'll actually let you test out parts of your design before they're actually constructed. So pretty cool. And a prototype is just a preliminary model of something, especially a machine, from which other forms are developed or modeled. So it's kind of like when somebody gets an idea for a new invention, they would create a prototype to kind of start to figure out how to work and how it would work and how to create it. I thought this was pretty cool, this picture down here that shows kind of like the evolution of smart glasses, where it shows, when people first started kind of messing with this technology, it's like taping a cell phone to the side of your head. And you can kind of see how it's developed over time. So that's a prototype. So like I said, on this project, you're going to have a choice between the balloon-powered car, the space station, or the spaceship. And to access all of these, you would obviously just go to Tinkercad, and I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. If you choose the balloon-powered car, there are 4 parts to this lesson. You would need to complete all 4 parts, and when you're done, you would be left with a balloon-powered car. Pretty cool. If you do the build a space station, again, there's 4 parts to this one as well. And you would need to go through all 4 parts in order to build your space station. And at the end, you would be left with something similar to this picture. And if you want to create a spaceship, you can follow the how to create a spaceship lesson. This one does have 5 parts, but it ends up with a pretty sweet spaceship there. So there you go. All right, so let's look at Tinkercad to go over how to get into all this stuff again. So from your main page in Tinkercad, you're just going to click on Learn. And then you're going to go to Projects like we did for the Tinkercad house. And then if you do See All Projects, you'll be able to find all the ones that we just found. So here's your balloon-powered car right here. Build a space station. And if you keep scrolling down, eventually we will find our How to Craft a Spaceship. So you need to complete one of those for your next assignment. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions.